Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my notes fun and effective. But before I begin, I'd like to mention that today's video is sponsored by HiPDF. Thank you to Wondershare HiPDF for sponsoring. This is an online, all-in-one PDF solution which can get powerful features to edit, review, protect, sign and convert PDF files. I like to use this tool especially to compress my PDF files down as it helps me save a lot of memory on my laptop. Overall, it is a great tool for students and can be used on both Mac and Windows computers. Only those who are watching this video today can redeem a HiPDF Pro license at up to 60% off. I will leave all the links and details in the description box below for you guys to check out. As I am a medical student, I have a lot of study notes to take. I usually do all of this digitally using my laptop or my iPad, but sometimes it's nice to change up things and write on paper too. Today, I'll be sharing how I transform my textbook or boring typed up notes into these fun, handwritten notes that is more appealing and aesthetic to look at. So let's get started. So the first step is finding inspiration. This step isn't necessary, but I find that seeing others study and take notes really motivates me to get going. My first go-to place is Pinterest. I love this app so much and I highly recommend you guys use it if you don't already. I find that it's got lots of inspiration about everything and anything you are looking for. I would also recommend that you guys create a little folder or a board on the app to save all the study notes that you find on Pinterest, so you can have a look at them later. I also use Instagram a lot. There are so many studygrammers out there who post their notes very frequently, including myself, and you can search for notes inspiration using different hashtags like studyinspo. If you guys want, you can also follow me on Instagram at Bana_view to stay updated about what I get up to on a day-to-day basis. So the second step is stationery supplies. If you are making handwritten notes, you will obviously need some paper. I'm very picky when it comes to notebooks. I look for good quality paper because it makes my note-taking experience a whole lot better. When it comes to pens, I like to use these Microns by Sakura and the standard Muji gel ink pens to make the bulk of my notes, but any regular pen basically will do. I also love using these brush pens by Pentel, and they just make my kind of titles that I would do later in the video look more fluent and nice. Note taking can never become fun without using highlighters. I mean, you need them to kind of make your notes pop and vibrant, and also to just highlight the key stuff that you need to remember. And lastly, I've added in my favorite stationery item here, my white gel ink pen. Before I even start making any notes, I like to choose a few colors that will complement each other and the kind of topic I'm studying. One of the main aspects of note-taking that I enjoy the most is writing out titles and subheadings. Again, Instagram and Pinterest both are filled with tips and inspiration on how to do different titles, but I thought I'd show you guys the common ones that I like to use in my notes. My personal favourite is writing in calligraphy, like I mentioned before, using the brush pens, as I feel like it gives the whole page a very neat and pretty vibe. Okay, so we have finally come to the note-taking step. Of course, for anatomy, you can't make notes without having diagrams, so I like to usually print mine off from Google. This just saves me time, and occasionally I will draw them in as well. In this video, I'm using my own diagrams I have created on my iPad, and I'm just sticking them in. As you can see, I like to use different handwriting styles to jazz up the page. So to label my diagrams, I use capital letters, and then I use a mixture of both capitals and small lettering for text. To make my note-taking experience a lot more amusing, I also like to listen to lo-fi or chill music in the background. This just helps me kind of feel more relaxed, and sometimes it also helps me concentrate a lot better because I feel like I'm just so engraved into my whole process of note-taking and kind of studying. Let me know in the comments below if you like to listen to anything when you're studying. I'd be really interested to see if you are a silent studier or one that listens to kind of music in the background. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this one.